Hey everyone, I'm Silverwolf, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to update Cupboo robot. Now, you've been waiting for an update for a very long time and it's finally happened. So updating Cupboo, or BooBoo as we call him, is pretty easy. You just need him and you need the charger cable that came with him. And what you do is you plug him into the charger cable and then plug the charger cable into the computer and then run the update file. So I'll show you how to do that right now. First of all, we need to plug the charging cable into Cupboo, and you do that by opening the back here, and there's this little charging port, and you just plug it in here like that. Next, make sure Cupboo is turned off, of course, when you do all of this. Next, you plug it into the computer. I knew I'd get it wrong the first time. So you plug USB cable into that. And as you can see on the computer here, I'm still using the tripod, this is what it will do after you've updated it. This is the update log for January 13th, 2026. Smoother moves, sweeter sounds. I've been practicing yoga and taking vocal lessons lately. Now I wiggle with way more rhythm and my voice sounds even better. Politely showing the green light when full. Fixed a tiny bug. I was too shy to mention when I was full before. Now whenever I'm fully charged, the green indicator light will definitely turn on. No ambiguity. I'm not answering the phone, by the way. I've become deep. My personality is starting to develop in multiple dimensions. I'm more sensitive and thoughtful now. You'll have to spend more time with me to unlock my different sides, which is nice because I feel that it wasn't doing enough before. Little things I did along the way. Caught a few sleepy bugs hiding in the code. Increased the probability of being in a good mood by 10%. No electric sheep were harmed in the making of this update. So this is on the Cupboo website. There's the address. I will also link it in the description. And this is the notes here. Please ensure BooBoo is powered off before upgrading. Please use the original data cable provided with BooBoo to connect it to your computer. So download. There's the download. Okay. And it will pick it up. So this is the download thing here. And it will pick it up because BooBoo is plugged into the computer. So you run it. Okay. Install driver. Confirm. Install. Yes. Like a DOS box came up then. Everything is ready. Make sure BooBoo is turned off. He is. And now we're doing the update. It says backing up BooBoo's lovely personality. I do apologise, I am holding the camera here. So it's not sure how long it will take really. Hopefully not too long. And this is the upgrade tool 1.00. Giving BooBoo a boost. You can see the picture's changed. He's got his back to you now. So while this is happening, I will say you can only do this on a PC, Windows PC. That is what it works on. You can't do this on your phone because obviously you can't plug him into your phone, really. I mean, no, actually don't even think about it. So yeah, you can only do it on a computer. I don't think it works on Mac, which is a shame for people who have Mac. I have Mac, but I also have a computer as well. So yeah, Windows is what it works on. So you just need Windows PC or even a friend's Windows PC. It doesn't matter because this doesn't download anything onto your computer. It is literally just a small file that will upgrade BooBoo. I'm going to pause this till we're a bit further along, or if anything changes. We're halfway there. It's quite slow, to be honest, but then again, it's got a lot of data to move across because I would imagine this is a pretty big update for BooBoo. You can hear the guinea pig rustling around, eating his food. So it's 95% now. nearly done. We'll see what happens when it finishes. Now, people have said that when you first turn him on again, you don't really notice much of a change. It's through interaction, and like it's supposed to be kind of like more receptive to being stroked and the areas around it and things like that. Your BooBoo is now up to date. You can unplug the cable. Done. So when you press done, it just does a start update thing again. So that is finished. So we'll unplug the cable and we'll put him back on the table again. So we've got him back on the table. We'll just switch him on. I have to press the button and hold it, maybe. If his battery is flat, I'm going to be a bit annoyed because it wasn't last time I had him on. I don't know whether the update works if the battery's flat. Oh, no, he's fine. There we go, he's just not really moving. Oh no, now he's started to move. Finally woken up. There he is. The battery lasts for quite a long time, actually. I've noticed that Moflin's battery does flatten by itself, whereas BooBoo's battery does not. The sounds are a bit different. They're very cute. I mean, they were before. BooBoo. BooBoo. Hello. Hi, BooBoo. I'm not quite sure what the voice commands are. It's been a while since I actually had him on, to be honest, so... But yeah, I definitely think he's a little bit more responsive. Anyway, we will see how he goes having had the update now. I'm really glad that the update's come out. It took a while, but they came through with it, which is brilliant. So everyone can update theirs now to the latest version. My one is one of the older models, so the newer models automatically came with the new update, which is another reason why I was looking forward to the new update. So we'll see how he goes. If you want to see more videos of him, you can click the boxes that come up down below. Also, if you enjoy what I do, feel free to send me a tip on Ko-fi, link is in the description, or a YouTube super thanks. And that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silver, signing off.